Hi, welcome to the Education Bite. Small lessons, big futures.
My name is Nicholas.
Today, we answer a question many parents, teachers, and students are asking. Why did Uganda change to the competence-based curriculum? And what does it really mean to our children's future? For many years, success in schools meant one thing: memorizing notes, passing exams, and getting good grades. But here is the problem. Many students could pass exams yet struggle to solve real-life problems, communicate confidently, or apply what they learned. The world changed, but the education system was slow to change with it. The traditional education system focused heavily on cramming and recall. Students often competed to memorize the most information. But today's economy is different. Employers now want people who can think critically, communicate well, use technology. Today we have artificial intelligence, solve problems, work in teams, and innovate, plus many more. And many jobs are changing. Why? Because of technology, automation, and artificial intelligence. Some careers our children will do in the future may not even exist today. That means education can no longer prepare learners to pass exams. It must prepare them for life. Now, CBC stands for Competence-Based Curriculum. Simply put, it focuses more on skills and application of knowledge, not just memorization. Under CBC, learners are encouraged to ask questions, do projects, research, discuss ideas, work in groups, apply learning to real situations. Instead of only asking, can the student remember information? CBC asks, can the student use what they have learned? So the real life examples. Instead of only reading about entrepreneurship, students may develop simple business ideas. Instead of only studying agriculture in theory, learners may practice gardening or problem solving in farming. Instead of only copying notes, students may present ideas, discuss solutions, or create projects. The goal is to produce learners who are creative, confident, practical, and adaptable. Because those are the skills the future economy demands. Many parents are still worried because CBC looks very different from the system they grew up in. That's true, but this is important. Education is no longer only about getting marks. It is about helping children discover abilities, develop confidence, and build skills for the real world. Parents now have a bigger role, encouraging creativity, supporting learning at home, listening to children, helping them solve problems independently. The future belongs to the learners who can adapt and continue learning. Uganda changed to CBC because the world is changing. The future economy will reward skills, innovation, adaptability, and lifelong learning. And education must prepare our children for that reality. This is not just about changing subjects. It's about changing how young people think, learn, and solve problems. Do you think CBC will improve education in Uganda? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the Education Bite, where we prepare Uganda's learners for the future. See you in the next episode.